Hi, I'm Lisa Richter, and I'm going to read a poem from my collection, Nautilus and Bone, which was published by Frontenac House Press in October 2020. The collection revolves around the life of the Yiddish language poet Anna Margolin, a Russian Jewish American poet in the early 20th century. This poem is called "Last Night You Called My Name." Last night, you called my name as if casting a spell against infectious diseases. As from all my previous vows, I make no demands, only the catalog of your life before I stormed it, all your misfires and beautiful transgressions. You lose yourself in my staggered affections, guzzle goblets of my youth as if in search of secret minerals, a tonic for time's unraveling. Weeks elapse, poems cling to my inner walls, a bloated lingering I host, cinched to high heaven. The gossip brews upon our sighting. She's biding her time. This one's even older than the last. What can she possibly see in such an alta cocker? In you, I glut refuge, find shelter in the years stretched wide between us. How can a poet make love in a drought? What estuaries can flow when she is cindered to bone ash, a dam on the brink of collapse? I never said I'd stay forever, polishing the instruments my forked tongue can't keep clean. Look for me amongst the stars that salt the night's ocean, among the onyx pearls I rip from my throat. Scan for me amid the crush of poems engulfing my rooms, all hankering for a crust of sourdough, a finger of your sweetest vermouth. I'll be in the fan of Icarus's charred feathers, in the pomegranate viscera, staining Persephone's cupped hands birth red. Thank you.